to the reeds and see who lasts. But Ducky just laughed and swam so slow, enjoying his day in the water's flow. Quack, 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 let's waddle and play. Ducky's having fun all day. With a splash, a hop, and a leap so high, Ducky's adventure reaches the sky. Now the sun sets, it's time to rest. Ducky's adventure was the very best. Quack, 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 as he closes his eyes, dreaming of tomorrow's bright blue skies.
The duck dreaming of happy moments. Ah, the little ducky is too happy.
Let's meet some other day. Bye.